Amen. Ako si Brother Dones Bas. Originally, I am from the church in Zamboanga City. I'm from Zamboanga City. Akong wife is from Baguio. Unang nabot na po Baguio for 13 years na. Amen. However, this is my first time to be here in Oroqueta and to be here at the meeting hall together with the saints of Oroqueta. And we are so happy to see you. Mentioned ni Brother Arnel ganina, that was prior to the pandemic, ay mga nag-churching from Oroqueta. And actually, recently lang, 2023, na po ang grupo ni Brother Brad Yuzel nag-atog Baguio. So, katong wala pa nakasaka, we invite you to also visit us there in Baguio. We will be so happy to see you there. Kung saan ninyo may welcome din, maupod akong pag-welcome sa inyo dito. For we are one body in the Lord. Amen. So we're so happy sa experience aning churching. Siguro I'll just give an opening word. Dili na ko i-touch tanan, and so that the saints can follow through sa itong title sa itong one. MR, The Indwelling Christ. Week 5, last week na. Then new morning revival material. Pero ang general subject, ingon diya, kung sa ang kernel of the Bible, Romans chapter 5 through 8. Pag may ingon tag kernel, mura na siya nut. And na siya'y outer shell, nagahi. Pero ang kernel, katong naa sa sulod. Paliw lang translate sa mga Tagalog. Okay? Matong munod ang content. And matong, yung si Brother Lee, matong ang pinaka-best part. The most nutritious part. And specifically, we have Romans 8. Okay, kundi we need to move from Romans 7, that is from our flesh, into our spirit. And sa Romans 8, daghan kayong mga butang, mga igsoon. Nadia, i-mention ang the law of the Spirit of life. Isa pa, the Spirit, witnessing with our spirit that we are sons of God, children of God. And also, our God is our Father. I-mention po niya regarding Christ, who indwells us. Unang topic natin karon, the indwelling Christ, who is our life. Of course, nagsugod niya sa atong spirit, na-develop niya from days 1 through 6. First, He gives life to our spirit, then to our soul, and eventually to our mortal bodies. Amen. I-mention po niya regarding the Spirit of God. Actually, my son, daghan pa kayong items, no? And para unsa man ni kana in chapter 8 with all these marvelous items. My son, para ni sa atong kasinatian, para sa atong experience. Hopefully, brothers and sisters, makita nato ang Romans chapter 8 is not a doctrinal chapter. It is an experiential chapter. Subjective kayo. It is not a doctrine concerning the divine Trinity, but it is a chapter for our experience of this wonderful triune God in our daily Christian life. Maybe natay meeting hall, no, dako kayo nga meeting hall, gwapo nga meeting hall. Baguio ay hanapod, Oroqueta, gwapo kayo meeting hall. Baguio na may duwak hall. Na yung hall 1 na newly built, hindi siya renovated. Talagang kasi dinemolish and then tinayok. Brand new building, so welcome mo dito. Ug doon na po tayo blending center. No, mas dako to siya na pwedeng i-accommodate ang mga saints. Dito ginahold ang mga conferences, trainings, MAT. Amen. And we may enjoy the church life. Tama? We enjoy coming to the Word. Pero if we miss the experience of the Divine Trinity sa pang-adlaw-adlaw natong pang-Kristyanong kinabuhi, sad to say, na-miss nato ang focus, no? Ang center of the universe. Focus of the Bible, that is the enjoyment and the experience of the Divine Trinity. So maigsoon sa atong practice sa church life, maging kami sa among pag-churching, o dapat always mahit nato ang